Alright, so now we're gonna go and build rounded bar charts. Previously we have learned how to build bar charts, standard ones, but now we're gonna go advanced and build rounded bar charts, and we will use lines in order to do that. I know it sounds a little bit strange, but let's go and build that. First we're gonna go and get, as usual, the subcategories in order to make a rank. And I'm gonna stick with the entire view in order to have the whole view over here. Then let's go and get the sum of sales to the columns over here. So now as you can see, this is very nice standard bar charts. So now instead of having those classical bars, we're gonna have rounded edge bars at the start and at the end. So how we're gonna do that? We're gonna go and have like a dummy value, average of the 0. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and merge those two measures in one single axis. So in order to do that, let's drag the average and put it on top of the sales over here in order to generate the measure values and names. So now we're gonna go and convert the bar chart to a line chart. So let's go to the marks over here to the line. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the measure name and put it on the path. So now we are almost there. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna go and increase the size of those lines. So let's just make it bigger, and with that, as you can see, we got rounded bar chart in Tableau. And as well, we're gonna get very nice color effect if we take the measure values, hold control, and then drag and drop it through the colors. And with that, we got really nice rounded bar chart in Tableau. Well, if you ask about now the use case, it's exactly like having standard bar charts. For example, here we can make a ranking list of the subcategories. We just change the visual of it. So that's it, how you can build rounded bar chart in Tableau.